Sometimes you have a video file with embedded very nice music in it, and instead of watching the video, you would prefer to listen only to the music in your car, or maybe when you're walking or jogging the park. Fortunately, there is a very easy way to extract the audio from the MP4 video file and to create a separate MP3 audio file. And in this video I will show you how to do this by using the VLC media player. VLC is a wonderful free open source application that can play video and audio files in just about any format: Windows, Linux, Macintosh, iOS or Android. If you don't have VLC installed on your computer, you have to go to the website and download it from there. For this purpose, open your browser and type videolan.org in the search field of the browser. Select it and go to the website. On the website, click the download VLC button, and you go to the downloading screen. Then select the destination of the file you would like to download, and we will select desktop and click on save. And here you resume the download. The download is completed, and then you can see the installation file is saved on the desktop. In order to install the software, you have to click on the installation file and follow the prompts. The installation process is very straightforward, and I'm sure you can do it without making any mistakes. Once the program is installed, click the icon of the software, this one, in order to launch the program. And here it is. The program appears on the screen of your computer. In order to start conversion process and to extract the audio from the video file, click on media, the top left corner of the software, right here, and go down to convert save. Click on it, and this will take you to a small dialog window where you have to add the source file. For the purposes of this video, I created a small sample file, video file, which we'll use to extract the audio track from. So click on it and then select the source file. It's saved on the desktop in my case. Go down, here it is, the sample MP4 file. Click on it and click open. Then go down and click on convert save, and you can see the source file is already loaded here. Then we have to select the target file, and we go down in the menu and select audio MP3. Then the last thing we have to do, we have to select the destination folder for the file where we have to save it, and the name of the file, of course. In this case, I'll just change the name to MP3, and again select the desktop for the destination and click save, and we are prepared and ready to start the conversion and the extraction of the audio track from the video file. Start button is here, click on it and observe the progress at the bottom of the software. Apparently it went very quickly, and extraction is completed. Here it is. The sample MP3 file is ready. Let's see how we did with our end product. We'll start it and we'll listen to it. For this purpose, we'll open it with VLC. As you can hear, it works perfectly fine. We created MP3 file and the audio quality is excellent. That is all from me for today. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, click on the subscribe and like button. Thank you for watching and have a nice and pleasant day.